Now, here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
I think the real accumulating snow will continue for another hour or two. Then it should really lighten up. Let's take a look at the live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, and you can see that we are covered in blue, but you have to look really closely. We have a darker shade of blue to the right of this line. To the left of the line, the snow is a lot lighter. I've been looking at some of the observations from Hartford and Springfield, and the visibilities have really come up. But for the next couple of hours, say till like 2 o'clock or so, we're going to be seeing the snow kind of pile up pretty good. Here's what I'm tracking. We are looking at a very active weather week. Today is storm number 1 of possibly 3 winter storms on the 7-day forecast. The snow today, obviously, is causing some slick travel across the area, so keep the speeds down. Maybe allow yourself a little extra time. And that Wednesday storm, it's coming into view. We're beginning to kind of iron out some of the details here. Snow, ice, and rain seem likely, and a plowable snow for really a good portion of the area. Now, this is for today. Winter weather advisory until 7 o'clock. Providence on off to the south. Conditions will be poor, especially as far as driving goes. Now, this is for Wednesday. Winter storm watch tomorrow night into 6 o'clock on Wednesday evening for all of Rhode Island except for Block Island and southeastern Mass except for Cape Cod and the islands. Snow and ice, significant amounts of snow and ice will cause some significant travel problems on Wednesday. For today, we are looking at some slow going because of some snow on the roadways. Visibility is actually coming up a little bit in Providence right now. Temperatures upper 20s to lower 30s. Coldest up in northern Rhode Island. 31 in Charlestown, 32 degrees in Newport, 32 at Pecasset Bay Retirement Living in Johnston with a wind from the north-northeast at 3. You can see the snow on the ground down there on the quad and URI. The snow is not too heavy down there at the moment. Temperature of 32 there. Satellite radar combination showing the snow continuing all the way back into Pennsylvania, but our real accumulating snow will likely come to an end fairly soon. Let's track it with our Futurecast. We're going to start you off around 3 o'clock in the afternoon with the snow winding down. Here we are this evening. Still some snow showers around, but we're really not going to be seeing anything terribly widespread. Now taking you into the overnight, we'll be clearing out. Tonight, might have to worry about some black ice issues into tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow, sunshine will give way to clouds throughout the afternoon. How much from today? 1 to 3 inches in Providence. I upped it a little bit at the south coast, maybe up to 4 inches down there. Now let's take a look at the forecast for your Wednesday. And we are going to be seeing the snow arrive after midnight. And it'll be snowing for quite a while Wednesday before we see any changeover, maybe some heavy snow for everyone. And then we're going to be seeing warmer air working its way in. It'll change things over to ice and then rain as far north as Woonsocket, maybe even a little further north than that, and it's gone by around 6 o'clock on Wednesday. We'll talk about accumulations with that in just a second. Your evening commute, the snow will be winding down upper 20s to around 30 degrees. Your 7-day Futurecast tomorrow, we're looking at sunshine, 37 degrees with the clouds increasing. No problems tomorrow. Now on Wednesday, this is where we're going to be seeing some bigger problems. A winter storm watch already in effect. I'm expecting 6 to 10 inches, possibly north and west of Providence. In Providence, maybe 4 to 6 inches before we see a change over to ice and eventually rain. So we're obviously looking at a plowable snow for a good portion of the area. Be a little bit less near the south coast. It's all done for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, dry. Right now, Sunday, it looks like we could be seeing some more wintry weather. The details on that, way too early to tell, but you know, that one could also bring some plowable snow, but that's a long way away.
Take it one storm at a time.
Exactly.
All right, thanks, TJ. Now look at what we're